Welcome back to another video, everyone. Today, as you saw by the thumbnail and title, we are going to be turning on the reverse camera on the G37 so we can shoot flames and see it while we're driving as well. And it's kind of a weird, tricky process, but it's kind of easy at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys exactly how to do that in just a second. But Coda, your car's getting stolen. Coda, your car. So it's getting stolen. Fuck off! Hi, welcome to my car. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the radio, so it says audio off, and it's weird. So you're gonna hold down the setting button and then you're gonna turn the volume knob at the same time. You just gotta keep doing it and it'll pull up some extra settings right there. You're gonna go to confirmation/adjustment, you're gonna click enter. You're gonna go down a little bit to the bottom, just kind of keep scrolling down until you see camera right there. Click enter, and then you're gonna go to correct draw line of rear view camera. And then now we have the rear view camera set, and if I were to drive like I am right about now, the rear view camera's gone while I'm driving, and I can go and shoot flames and watch people getting gapped by me through the rear view camera. That's how you do that. It's pretty easy. And then whenever you want to undo it, all you got to do is just click back, just kind of spam a couple times. The screen's gonna turn black for a couple seconds. Don't freak out. Just kind of give it a second. Radio didn't fry out, don't worry. See, they're just gonna show the Infiniti logo. And we'll be back in a second. There we go. We're about to head out to a little meet. I'm probably gonna wait till it gets a little bit darker outside because it's pretty bright. Can't really see the flames that much. But me and Coda are gonna cruise out. All right, it's a little bit later in the night. It is now dark. God, look over here, look on my side. Holy shit. Bro, I didn't even know I could do that yet.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
My bumper seems fine. On the other hand, my paper plate is solid. I heard some flutter noises. Oh shit!
Two-step battle.
We're doing a two-step battle? I'm sweating! What the? I'm about to get a ride in a 850 horsepower twin turbo 370Z. What's up, bro?
Yo, what up, bro? Alright, man, I got him.
What'd you say?
Don't go easy.
Oh god. Right, we're gonna hit a little low boost action. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god! Alright, that was low boost. We're gonna hop on the freeway and hit some high boost.
Ready?
Yeah.
Wow.
What was that?
He was spinning.
Oh, it spun?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Alright, this is my reaction. Oh god. Oh my god. Whew. Alright, that was was fun. All right, I think that is going to conclude the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. We completely went from how to do your reverse camera to a car meet to 850 horsepower 370. So that was interesting. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload. I'm trying to upload a lot more consistently. Oh my God, Jesus. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, above_Hunter, and I will catch you guys next time on my next video. I'll see you guys later.